Hi friends, welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today we're on another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesdays. We're rolling the dice to stuff some cash. So let's count and see what we have. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15. Which for me is less than what I've been stuffing, just because I had a lower amount to work with for the month of March. So what we're gonna do, normally I have 2 dice to roll, but I'm just gonna roll the 6-sided die and give each challenge 1 bill. So we're gonna mix in this 5 and see which challenge gets the lucky 5. And this is the newest challenge it's a freebie in my shop that I give to my Etsy orders. And thank you guys so much for you who continue to support. I love seeing my repeated buyers. I do have a couple orders to ship out today. So again, thank you guys so much. So on this one, this is a roll and save. So basically as we roll and we land on it, whatever denomination it receives, I'm gonna write into the set of toes here. So luxury. Yeah, so that's what we have that for. Just so I can, at the end, I have the dollar amount here to reflect what's in the envelope. All right, so let's get into it. Next month, we'll be able to stuff a little more and be back to rolling the two dice. So we have 6, it's going to get 1. So this is position 6. I did rearrange the order. So, 1 through 6. So we have 1. Challenge 4. Challenge 1. March is nearly over. Are you excited about it? I am a little bit, but I'm not. You're like, already March is over. School's about to be out in the next less than 2 months. So, Florida heat, not looking forward to that. That was 3. Ooh, who about to get this 5? Challenge 6, okay. Make that one a little bit bigger. Challenge 5. When the sun's out, I'm in. I am in. Okay, 1 more dollar. Challenge 5, okay. Everybody got some love, which is always great. I love to see it. And so we're gonna color in what we can. Well, we know this one got the most, so we'll start here because this is done already. So we'll add this in here. And here we got $2, and now it has 3. The lowest amount is 5. We can't do anything, so I leave the rollover in the front. This one got $1. It had 1 that we rolled over, so it has 2. We can color in here. Let's see, I'm doing blue in this one. All right, making a little progress. I'm trying to get my challenges as these get completed with smaller challenges. Like, for example, I love this challenge because you got different denominations, but I want some that like just 1, 2, 3. So I think I'm gonna go through my challenges and see if I have any blank ones, so I can either assign them a number or like if they're under $5 a roll. And so this one has 2, and we do have a 2 we can color in. In the case I didn't say it, I wanted to do that so I can go through them quicker and finish that much more and have some challenge to allocate at least by the end of the month. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stars remaining. And this one, we have 2. Oh, yeah, we have a 2. Like this one, though, these last 2 have been perfect. They haven't had any rollover because, you know, from 1 through 5 on this one, if I get 1, there's been a 1, 2, 3, whatever the amount has been, I've been able to color it in. So that's like my goal. Then I'm going to use this bright orange here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remaining. And this one is the only one that's like predetermined where it's going to go. And it's going to the kids binder. I started this last year and I wanted to really give them a boost in their binder. And this last one got 2. And this is another one with a mixture of denominations. So usually no rollover. And so we can get a 2 colored in, finishing off this row. And this one has 6 remaining. So we're getting close, we're getting close. So next month I should be able to knock out maybe 2 at least. Yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, thank you too. I hope you comment, like, and subscribe. And I will chat with you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.